Welcome to the topic of the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus Part 1. It is a fundamental concept in calculus that establishes a connection between the concepts of integrals and antiderivatives. In simple terms, it states that if you have a function that is continuous on a closed interval and is the antiderivative of, then the definite integral of over the interval is equal to the difference. This theorem allows us to evaluate definite integrals by finding antiderivatives, thus linking the two main branches of calculus, differential calculus and integral calculus. Let's break down the theorem into simpler parts. Firstly, we have a continuous function on a closed interval. Secondly is the antiderivative of. Finally, the definite integral of over is given by. The Fundamental Theorem of Calculus Part 1 acts as a vital bridge between the concept of integration and differentiation. We can visualize the theorem with a simple graph. Consider the continuous function over. The area under the curve from 2 is equal to. Where is the antiderivative of? This graphical representation aids in understanding the connection between integrals and antiderivatives. To solidify our understanding, let's explore an example problem. If we aim to find the definite integral of on the interval, the first step is to determine an antiderivative of. Upon finding the antiderivative, we can apply the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus Part 1 to derive the value of the definite integral over the given interval. Understanding this theorem is paramount for various applications in calculus. It enables us to calculate areas under curves, determine accumulated quantities, and solve differential equations using techniques like separation of variables. For those eager to dive deeper into this topic, delving into the Fundamental Theorem of Calculus Part 2 is recommended. This advanced concept further elucidates the connection between definite and indefinite integrals. By comprehending how derivatives and integrals interrelate, one gains profound insights into functions and their applications in science and engineering. The Fundamental Theorem of Calculus Part 1 is a potent tool in calculus that seamlessly connects different facets of the subject. Mastering this theorem provides a profound insight into the intricate relationship between integrals and derivatives. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey. Remember to continue exploring and practicing to achieve mastery in the captivating realm of calculus.